conveyor. So the first I will explain how it works. For the first, in here there is conveyor, and we can put here the bun from the first in here, and in here why the conveyor is die, because when the sensor ultrasonic is detect object here, it will be directly the conveyor is die. So how to make the servo is work? So the first in here there is microbit. So for we can use the servo, we can click on button A in here. When we click, the servo is will be work. And the second also, there is the black band. When we put in here and the servo and the sensor is detect, we can also use the servo and we can click button B in here. If already, later the servo is will be works and the conveyor is will be there directly not die again.
Okay, so now I will explain about the components of this project. First, as you can see, this is the conveyor, and then the conveyor is powered by the motor right here that are controlled by the microbit that have external pins, and then now there is two servo that are attached to chopsticks to make the band that are detected by the ultrasonic to get pushed. Okay, so now the next one is the microbit. This is microbit V2 powered by external pins, external board, and then they have relays. Then we have relays, battery, and then the conveyor, two servos, and the last one is the infrared sensor.
So in here you can see this the AI for make the servo stop and
automatically automatically turn the band.
Yes. So for this for like filter, so you can see the what's the black and what's the white item. Okay, maybe that's
Okay, now we will try the AI. So
Like we put bun in here.
here, and then if the if the phone detect its color, and then it will turn it to its by automatically.
Yes, use AI the sensor. So
Yes.
here, if the band is white, in AI also it will be there is white. So later the servo will be push
Here
the
is black, but here
band.
is white.
So there is white and black ya
Okay.
in AI.
Okay.
Okay, maybe that's all from us.
Thank you for
Watching.
watching.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke, bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And in this occasion, I would like to explain about my latest project, and it is conveyor. But before that, let me introduce myself first. My name is Asli Nevala. In this occasion, I will explain you about my latest project, and that is Bluetooth conveyor. That is conveyor. And now, I'll explain the code one by one to you. So after the first thing that I will tell is on start. So on start, the Bluetooth, the microwave will turn on a Bluetooth, and on start we will show screen about the device name, so we can easily recognize which device is mine, is ours. So now on Bluetooth connected, I will show icon checklist, and on Bluetooth connected will show icon text, and this is used for clarity if the microphone is connected to Bluetooth or not. So now this is the important part. Uh, so now this is the first thing is forever set sonar to ping trigger A0, echo P1, and unit centimeters. So what is it? So sonar is a variables which gets stored by the to the ultrasonic sensor that are on the conveyor. So trigger zero is uh, and then so the ultrasonic sensor will send waves by this trigger, and the trigger is in zero, and then the echo is when the ultrasonic sensor receive the wave back. So that means there is an object, and that echo pin is P1 and the unit is centimeter. So this is the code to make the sonar worse or no. Because sonar is using digital data, so it will only 0 or 1 when device connected or not. So now, alright here, we will go to forever. So this forever is when sonar is equal or the same or if the that data that if the sonar work the what the conveyor the sonar detects object or not, it will digital write pin P2. P2 is the motor that are powering the conveyor to turn to rotate. So digital write pin P2 to 1. So this means if sonar uh, P2 and then it will go to 1, that means on, and else digital writing pen 2 to 0, that means it's turned off. So now I will make the button A. So this is so now the most important code, and that is the on Bluetooth on data receipt new line, and this is when the microbit gets data from the Lofi robot uh, AI model that will detect if the object white white or black. So this set Bluetooth to Bluetooth you are read until new line. So this is will make the microbit read until the latest the newest line of the data from the Bluetooth. Now Bluetooth on data receipt like this. So if the data gets received is white, and then server writing P8 to 0, and then post MS 1 second, and then server writing P8 to 180, and else if Bluetooth is black, and like this the same. So what is this? So P8 and P16 is an servo that turns when the object is black or white. So P8 and P16 is two different servos. So 0 and 108 or 180 is the degrees of the servo because servo is precision. So if the Bluetooth that receive is white or black, it will servo write in P16 or P8 to 0 first, and then to 180 to go back. So that maybe that's all for the code, but I forget. So now this is uh, the button for emergency. So if the Bluetooth doesn't work, the Bluetooth black or white doesn't work, so we can just use on button A press or on button B press. So this is the same. So essentially, how this thing works is first, the robot will check if sonar detect object or not. If detect, it will turn off the conveyor. If there is, it will still turn on the conveyor. And then the Bluetooth will check white or black from the AA model, image AA model, and if white, P8 that get turned, and if black, the P16 get turned. Now for emergency, on button A press and button B press is the same, P8 and P16 to turn the circuit. So maybe that's all. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry if I say mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, thank you.